But sensational details have come to the fore following the interrogation of Ludhiana-based YouTuber Paras Singh by the Arunachal Police. The SIT informed that Paras has confessed to have deliberately posted the racial slur video to gain widespread attention and views, besides catapulting his revenue. YouTuber Paras Singh was also enraged at Arunachal MLA Ninong Ering's opposition to Battleground Mobiles, as his revenue would have taken a hit due to it. Paras Singh, who has been remanded to a day's custody by a CJM court in Itanagar, is also learned to have 2 YouTube accounts with over 7 lakh subscribers, fetching him an income of Rs 20 to 25,000 a month. One of his accounts, Paras Gamers, is exclusively dedicated to PUBG, which explains his attack on Ering for writing to Prime Minister Modi calling for a ban over the so-called Indian version of the game. Significantly, his account, Paras Gamer, has highest views to the tune of 7.1 million, and most of his videos were aimed at generating quick money. Well, Paras's interrogation has revealed a very disturbing trend, which is deliberately posting racial slurs with a sole motto of making money. This, viewers, is definitely a disturbing trend and calls for the need for stringent cyber laws in the country.
A complaint was submitted by MLA Ninong Ering from Pasighat regarding Mr. Paras, who owned a YouTube channel, and he had made some detrimental comments about the populace of Arunachal Pradesh and had also uttered some anti-country sentiments. The case under the sections of Section 124A, 153A and 5052 of the IPC was subsequently registered on this complaint. An investigation was taken up which led us to believe that Mr. Paras resides in Ludhiana in Punjab, and we could trace out his whereabouts. The same information was passed on to Ludhiana Police also. An SIT team was dispatched from capital Itanagar, and then they reached Ludhiana under the leadership of Inspector Teji Vijay, and they were able to catch hold of Mr. Paras with the help of Ludhiana Police. The transaction was very smooth, and Paras Singh was arrested by our team there on the 26th of May. Paras Singh was brought to Itanagar on the 27th of May, and a one-day PC was granted by the Honorable Courts to us. We have interrogated Mr. Paras extensively. We've come to know that he has 2 YouTube channels which he's been running for the past 3 odd years, and he's 22 years of age, lives with his mother, and his only source of income is through these 2 YouTube channels. Both of these channels are monetized. So what does he do is that one channel is named as Paras Official, one is named as Paras Gamer. So in Paras Gamer he displays the playthroughs and walkthroughs of all the games that he plays, and in Paras Official he goes on to give tricks and tips upon what games to play, what levels do they have to cross, and what are the best weapons, what are the best skins to have in a particular gameplay. So his modus operandi of earning money through these YouTube channels is that he uses the leaks that are on the internet to promote his own YouTube channel, and obviously because the channel is monetized, so for every 10,000 views that he gets, he earns $1. So in this particular, why is this information important? Because in this particular case, when our Honorable MLA sir, he wrote a letter to the Honorable PM regarding the relaunch of PUBG, then the accused Paras got a bit agitated. That was because most of his gameplays, most of his walkthroughs were about PUBG when PUBG was not banned before, and that is the main game that he plays, and that is the main game through which the videos that he is making gain traction, and through which he earns most of his money. So when he saw this video, when he saw this letter on the Twitter handle of HMLA sir, he got agitated and he tried to make a video regarding it so that it will be on a controversial topic. The more controversy it creates, the more views he will get. So he tried to make a controversial video in which he uttered anti-India sentiments, and he also hurt the feelings of the populace of Arunachal Pradesh. and so the only aim of that was to create a base to increase his reach, to increase the views so that he could earn more money. We've interrogated him further, and we've also come to know that such controversial videos have been put up by him before also, though not on the same topic, but if you go through his videos you will see that he has used some controversial words before also, so as to gain views, but never has he uttered such anti-India sentiments before. But this time, because he was agitated that the game may be banned and that is his main source of income, that is why he got angry, and he also thought that if he makes these kind of comments, this video will gain more views and he will gain more money. Further investigation is going on, and we have him for a day. After that we will be sending him to the JC, and then we will take the law.